Good morning, Manasvi. I'm Komal from Neltas, and congratulations on your exceptional performance in the Neltas Grand Finale exam 25-26. It's truly a pleasure to speak with you today. So, we are glad that you're representing Vasudev C. Vatva Arya Vidya Mandir. To begin with, could you please introduce yourself, like your name, grade, school, and your hobbies?
My name is Manasvi Sauji. I'm in 5th grade in Vasudev C. Vadhya Arya Vidya Mandir, and I like reading, art, and like crocheting.
Oh, nice. And how did you first hear about Neltas exam?
Actually, my mom found it, and first year we actually did it externally, like it wasn't in my school. And then the next year, my school paired up with Neltas. I did it from the school.
Nice. And what motivated you to participate in Neltas exam?
Like the pride of winning it, the joy.
And what was your reaction when you got to know that you were the ranker?
I was like really happy and proud of myself.
And what was your preparation strategy?
I have these few months where I just I do other competitive exams too, and I study for them in that time. So yeah.
Okay. And which study material did you refer to for Neltas exam?
Like the books.
And how did you handle difficult topics or difficult concepts?
I just kept trying at it.
Okay. And what skills do you think competitive exams help to develop in students?
When you're doing competitive exams, you actually get a bit ahead of what they teach in your school. Then when you're actually doing the topic in your school, you already know it and it's easier for you.
Okay, perfect. And what message would you like to give to the students who are preparing for Neltas exam right now?
Never give up, and you might just be a ranker yourself.
So as a parent, how did you feel about your child's achievement?
No, fantastic. So in third grade, somebody mentioned in my workplace that this is a great exam for English. That's how we started.
Okay.
Because I approached proactively that Nelta Center that when is your exam? I would like to because she reads a lot actually. So her comprehension, because the pattern of the exam there are a lot of comprehensions. She finds it very easy because she is a lot into storytelling and reading as well. So we first enrolled for ECAT, then realized there is math science as well, so enrolled for that. So she already knew the pattern this year because all her peers in school only appeared this year, right? So she was aware of it because it was year 2. So we intend to continue till the time.
Would you encourage other parents to enroll their children for Neltas exam?
100%. See, because it's also online, right? It becomes so much easier. You can book a slot at your convenience. So, I mean, why not really? And we also found the material very useful, especially maths. This year the MCAT, it's fantastic. You please compliment whoever has put that together because we were using it actually for other exams also.
Oh, nice.
So not just for Neltas, but we used the material you have provided in maths for even Olympiad level 2 for that matter, because the concepts were so nicely explained in it.
Okay. And would you please share your overall experience with Neltas in few lines?
The overall experience has been very good. The material provided is excellent. I should also mention the preparatory tests that are there on the portal, right? Which they can prepare for. So that is a thing even she used too. So we sketched out a plan. So I think the material provided is fantastic. The level of the exams is good. It's not so difficult that people will back off, because there are certain exams which are extremely difficult that chuck it. It's too ahead of for the grade. So I think the level has been kept well, even for maths and science. I think it's good that there is negative marking because the kids will also, this was your first flavor of negative mark, yet not strategize. So it develops strategy, right? Like for this year, she has the same marks in science and English, but she's a ranker in English and not in science because somebody else would have not attempted a question and got a 0.5 more. That kind of a strategy didn't figure this year, but next year definitely it helps build that.
All right. So thank you, and thank you for your time, and thank you again. Congratulations. So we wish you success and happiness in everything Manasvi pursue.